Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys, today I'm playing with my camera angles, trying something different. I don't know how I feel about it. I put on the Fenty Body Lava because, you know, I got more skin showing than usual here on my channel, but it's making my hair hella greasy. I'm going to try something different here on my channel. Instead of the question of the day, I'm going to start out by welcoming a new member of the Lash Fam. So today's welcome goes to Monica AP. She is a new member of the Lash Fam. So everybody, get down in the comments and welcome her to the Lash Fam. I'm so glad you're here, Monica. Okay guys, today's video is exciting. It's another Boxycharm unboxing, which also means the most exciting part. It's another Boxycharm giveaway. If you're new here, I do a Boxycharm unboxing every single month and I always give away something during my unboxing, so today will be no different. So if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a monthly beauty subscription and they are offering different packages now, so I did just upgrade and I believe that starts next month. The one I upgraded to is the Boxycharm 2.0. It says better customization, more choices. It says you get more value. It starts at $25 a month. You get customization and it says you get choice. Now each charmer gets the chance to choose every month. During the choice window, choose one product you'd like to receive. You can upgrade by being charged a little bit more for some different items that you want to add on, and they're usually at a reduced value than you would buy them off the shelf. And then it says 5, Boxycharm pop-ups. They're now doing box pop-ups every quarter. So makeup, skincare, lifestyle products, all at a greatly reduced price. And yes, this all starts in November. So I did upgrade, and I want to say, I thought I upgraded and it's going to be like $30 a month. I could be wrong. I'll try to find more info about the upgrade and leave it down below for you guys. But let's dive on into what I got this month. So October's box is called After Dark, which totally makes sense. Hello, spooky season. I always show the items I'm keeping for myself first and then dive into the items I'm giving away last. So the first item, I am going to keep it for myself, and I was totally on the fence because, you guys, I have so much eyeshadow, but this is a brand I've never had a chance to try before. So, you know, curiosity killed the cat. Just when I need another eyeshadow palette, but I really want to try their formula. This is a Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. I got the one called Marvelous Mauves. Mauves. I know a lot of people say mauves, but I say mauves, okay? This comes in at $32, so definitely already exceeding the value I spent on the box. It's a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades, and they're all like monochromatic. Let me show you. It looks really pretty. I really was hoping to get the Sienna's one just because those reds just speak to my Aries soul, but this one is really pretty and should go well with the fact that I have green eyes. They're all mattes, they're all monochromatic, and I am a big fan of monochromatic. I've heard the quality of these are really nice. It is a cute little palette. It's a nice size. Would I have bought this? There was a time where I really considered buying it, but I'm definitely glad I didn't because 32 bucks is not cheap, and like I said, I have a lot of eyeshadow. The next thing I'm going to keep, because it would be a pain to ship, is the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. You guys, I don't know. Part of me is like, okay, yeah, cool, I love the idea of it, but the other part of me is like, girl, you got kind of oily skin, so I don't know. But with winter coming up, if this winter is anything like last winter, then I'm going to need all the moisture I can get because last year it was absolutely frigid, like 40 below zero. This comes in at $32. It's an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. So, would I be able to use this in the summertime? Absolutely friggin' not. But I do think this will work out really well now that we're into fall and then we'll soon be into winter. The last thing I'm keeping is the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss, $26. I do really like the Iconic London brand. The few things I've tried from them, it's a really pretty, beautiful nude color, and I'm obsessed with gloss. So, you know, can you ever have too many glosses in your stash? Probably, but this one's going to go right on in there with the rest of them. Now, the items I'm giving away, before I show those to you, there's a few little steps you do have to follow along to enter into the contest. All the info is also down in the description box, so make sure you're following along to make sure you are entering into the giveaway. The first thing is, of course, you have to be subscribed to the Lash Fam. You have to be a member of the Lash Fam. So if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. Don't miss out. And then, secondly, you have to be 18 years of age with a USA mailing address. I just cannot do international shipping at this time. To any of my international subscribers, I truly, truly, truly appreciate you being here. And then third of all, please comment down below with hashtag I love my Lash Fam. And if you could please include an Instagram handle to be contacted at, that is wonderful. And my hair is so greasy, I just don't like that. This is why I never wear this body llama. This is the reason. Okay, anywho, let's talk about the items I'm giving away. I am giving away 2 items from this month's box. The first is a Janta Blue lip liner in Dark Natural. Who doesn't need a good nude lip liner? I already have so many lip liners, so definitely going to give this away to one lucky member of the Lash Fam and to accompany the lip liner. You can't just give away a lip liner. I'm going to be giving away this Jelly Highlighter by Steve Laurent. This comes in at $26 and this is a $5 lip pencil. This looks really beautiful. I've seen it in other people's videos. It looks absolutely stunning, but I must say, I was tempted to keep this because the color is beautiful. It is in the shade Cotton Candy. So one lucky member of the Lash Fam will be receiving these 2 items here. Make sure you're getting in on the giveaway down below. Follow the steps. Make sure you're entering because you don't want to miss out. I do this every single month. I'm really excited. If you haven't subscribed and click the notification bell, do that because I'm really excited to dive into this upgraded version of Boxycharm and let you guys know if it's really worth spending your extra cash or not. I hope it is because I really like Boxycharm now, how it is, so it's going to have to be pretty darn good to make me like it more. You know what I'm saying? It's like, dang, I'm spending more money and Boxycharm is already really, really amazing, so you're going to kind of have to knock my socks off to make me want to spend that extra money. So yeah, stay tuned. I will be diving into all those new upgrade features and letting you guys know if it's worth it. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love, love, love for you to join the Lash Fam. Really, I would. It would mean the world to me. The Lash Fam is growing and it's so, so, so exciting. And as always, you guys, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.